Let me show you why Google's new model, Gemini 3 Pro, has just completely changed the game when it comes to actually offering these AI solutions to clients. Building custom front-end interfaces has never been easier. The example today, I'm going to show you how fast we can build a custom interface for a client that, let's say, we just sold a voice agent to, also known as an AI receptionist. All right, so I literally just pasted in this single prompt just to get it started. All right, just with that single prompt, here's what we got. Total calls, average duration, just some good statistics. These menu options over here aren't quite working yet. It highlights the peak call volume time. It would give us like some total leads detected, interested, appointments booked, and stuff like that. Obviously, this is all like hypothetical numbers. You would actually have to go into n8n or whatever no-code platform you use and connect this front end to your back end to actually make these statistics real. But this is just like an example of something you can add on to your AI receptionist just to make it more of a white glove and user-friendly experience. And it seems to include like the live transcripts, almost making it look like kind of like a SaaS. But let's go ahead and add another prompt to it and see if we can make this even better. All right, so I just added this prompt right here, basically saying make all the menu options work. And then this is supposed to be a custom interface for a client that we just sold this voice agent to. It's not a SaaS. It's supposed to be for a non-technical client that can basically view the agent's performance. All right, so after the second prompt, this is where we're at. Dashboard looks really clean. Activity volume, intent breakdown. If we go to call logs, we can see the call logs, and we can click view transcript. Pretty sweet. Export the PDF. A lead CRM, which obviously another prompt, we can clean up the CRM and how we want it to be, or we could directly integrate with whatever CRM they use if they do use one. Settings for agent configuration. Not really sure if this would work too well. Obviously, you'd have to play around with like some webhooks or triggers. But I mean, this is with two simple prompts. And disclaimer, this is not production ready. This is not like I can't just take this right now and just give it to a client right now. There's a difference from being able to preview what's possible and kind of just vibe code some ideas and put it on and bring your ideas to life, and then being able to actually take that idea and deploy it in production. So essentially now you have a front end like this that you give to the client, you make it super user friendly, because honestly, this is all they care about. They care about results, and they want to be able to see and interact with the results, see how the thing that they're paying thousands a month for is actually performing. So when you pair a front end like this with a voice agent back end like this, and I literally grabbed this template from Chase AI's free school community. He built a phenomenal voice agent. Shout out to you, Chase, if you're watching this. This is one of the few voice agent videos that I've seen where he actually shows a working backend, like an agent that does what it's saying it's doing on the call. Unlike 99% of the AI voice receptionist gurus that you're going to come across, where they literally post a ChatGPT prompt into Retail or 11 Labs, and they cut out the latency as well. They don't actually showing it doing all of the tasks that it's saying it's doing on the call. So shout out Chase AI if you want to learn how to really build a voice AI receptionist. But like I said, you take a backend like this, pair it with a front end like this, and your offer just became so much more valuable. I too have a free school community where I give away templates of everything that I build for free. It's called the AI Growth Lab. Go ahead and comment Growth Lab down below. I'll send you the link to get into it. And it's also just a growing community of like-minded people who just want to grow in the AI space and learn.